Hello friends, in this lecture we will cover the last electronic instrument, that is analog voltmeter and analog ammeter. Now the learning outcomes. Now after studying this topic, student will be able to understand first what is analog voltmeter, then what is analog ammeter, and what is the difference between analog voltmeter and analog ammeter. Now let's see first, that is analog voltmeter. As we know, voltmeter means it measures the voltage. So a voltmeter is an instrument that measures the difference in electrical potential between 2 points in an electrical circuit. An analog voltmeter moves a pointer across a scale in proportion to the circuit voltage, and a digital voltmeter provides a numerical display. That is the main difference between our analog voltmeter and the digital multimeter. Now any measurement that can be converted to voltage can be displayed on the meter that is properly calibrated. Such measurements includes the pressure, temperature and the flow. Now how to measure the voltage? Now in order for a voltmeter to measure a device voltage, it must be means that device must be connected in parallel to the device, or that voltmeter must be connected in parallel with the that device, and this is necessary because the objects in the parallel experience is the same potential difference, or it has the same potential difference. Now here one circuit is given, that is one resistance is connected in series with the battery and the load. Now here our objective is to calculate how much voltage across the resistance. That's why, as we know, the current is flowing from the positive terminal of battery to the negative terminal of battery, and our objective is to calculate how much voltage across the resistance. So that's why the analog voltmeter, which is connected across or parallel to the resistance. This is how to measure the voltage. Now one important condition to measure the voltage by using voltmeter is that always connect your voltmeter across or parallel to the device. That's why in this circuit a voltmeter which is connected across or parallel to the resistance. Now the second electronic instrument, that is analog ammeter. Now an ammeter that measures the electrical current in the circuit, the name is derived from the name of the SI unit for electric current, that is amperes, that is A. Now in order for ammeter to measure a device current, it must be connected in series to that device. Now that is the main difference between analog voltmeter and analog ammeter. Now to calculate the voltage by using analog voltmeter, we always connect the voltmeter across the device, but in case of ammeter, we always connect the ammeter in series with the device. Now here one DC source which is connected with the load. Now here our objective is to calculate how much current is flowing through the circuit. That's why one analog ammeter which is connected in series with the DC supply and the load. So your ammeter or your analog ammeter will calculate how much current is flowing through the circuit. Now let's see the comparison between the analog ammeter and the analog voltmeter. Now first comparison, that is definition. Now what is ammeter? Now ammeter is the instrument that is used to measure the current, and the voltmeter, it is the device which is used to measure the voltage between any 2 points of the circuits. Now symbolic representation. Now for ammeter, that capital A indicates the amperes, while that capital V that indicates the voltage. Now if we think about the resistance of the ammeter, now in case of ammeter the resistance is low, while in case of voltmeter the resistance is high. Now the connection, now how to connect your device to the ammeter or voltmeter, that is important. Now in case of ammeter, it should be connected in series with the circuit, Means to measure the current, your ammeter should be connected in series of the circuit, while in case of voltmeter, your voltmeter should be connected in parallel to the circuit or across to the circuit. Now that is the main difference between the analog ammeter and analog voltmeter. Then the accuracy for ammeter is more as compared to your voltmeter, means the accuracy for voltmeter is less. Then changing the range. Now changing the range of the ammeter is not possible, but changing the range of the voltmeter is possible. Now what is changing the range? If suppose we are calculating the voltage across the resistance, then several ranges are available on your analog voltmeter, that is in between suppose 0.5 volt to 1 volt, similarly 1 volt to 2 volt, 2 volt to 3 volt. Now these ranges are available on your voltmeter. That's why the changing of the range is possible on your voltmeter, but in case of ammeter it is not possible. That so this is the comparison between the analog ammeter and voltmeter. Thank you.